that's okay, guys. We'll keep watching you. As they start their takeoff rolls, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, from the right, Ross Granley in the Yak 18T. From the left, Bud Granley in the Yak 55M. As Bud pulls back, rolls the airplane upside down. They head towards each other, and right about there, pass. Perfect. Oh my gosh, as Ross rolls the airplane around. And it is the Granley crew back at the Abbotsford Airshow. Bud Granley tumbling the Yak 55 around and around and around. These guys are absolute gentlemen to work with and a lot of fun to watch fly around the sky. The Yak 55M with a big Russian aircraft in the front, engine in the front. As he pulls the airplane around, starts to come back towards show center. Bud joined the Royal Canadian Air Force in 1956 after earning his wings with a Royal Canadian Air Cadet Scholarship. He was awarded honor scrolls at both basic and advanced flying schools. He flew the F-86 Sabre in Baden-Baden, Germany, and was a member of the Canadian gunnery team which won the NATO competition for the third straight year. Bud instructed on the T-6 Harvard at Red Deer, Alberta, and was selected to be the base solo demonstration pilot on the Harvard, thus starting his career as an airshow pilot. Big number 2 on the tail of his aircraft as he comes in from the left. Of course, he flew the number 2 snowbird aircraft. And both pilots pull back hard on the stick and up into the sky they go. And let it flow over the top. The Yak 55, an unlimited aerobatic competition aircraft. That's the little red one that's flying up there with Bud at the controls. The Yak 18, a cross-country aircraft from the Yakolev Design Bureau. What a great machine that is. You can take yourself and some of your friends and go from here to Tofino and back, or wherever you want to go. And of course, it's a fully aerobatic aircraft that they do a beautiful formation hammerhead stall turn. As they start to roll, one over the other, all the way down the show line. One up, the other one up, the other one up, the other one up. Bud Granley and his son Ross doing a beautiful job here at Abbotsford. Here they come from the left. Ross was born in Red Deer, Alberta in 1963. Joined the Canadian Forces back in 1985, where he got his wings 2 years later and became an instructor on the Tudor jet in Moose Jaw. He applied for and was accepted in the Snowbirds aerobatic team, where he flew the number 2 position, the inner right wing, in 1990 and 1991. Following his tour of duty with the Snowbirds, Ross moved to Cold Lake, Alberta, where he underwent basic and advanced pilot training on the CF-5 and the CF-18, acquiring top student honors in both courses. Ross flew the CF-18 with 416 Tactical Fighter Squadron for 3 years, and in 1996 was selected as a member of the fighter pilots team representing Canada in the William Tell Air Combat Competition held in the United States. Canada swept the competition in nearly all categories, including top team, and Ross was a member of the top 2 ship element as well. And you can hear the coordinating calling. Get ready for the inside-outside roll. Here they come. Bud rolling the aircraft upside down as he pulls up on Ross. Ready? Here we go. down. Here comes Ross in from behind. Let's listen. I have.
Here we go. We can get a little bit of what the Yak 18T can do. 6.4 minus 3.2 G airplane. And nice crowd down there today. You got this in the air. A lot more than yesterday.
Yeah, they're into overflow parking. It's great.
I hope everybody's enjoying this as much as we are.
Flying and then go upside down.
That's right. Now let me know when you're coming down for your split airdrop. Alright, what was stopping coming downhill?
Look how tight he can pull this airplane around in the confines of the show area of the airport. Oh, he's going to roll it, do it the other way now.
I don't see anywhere they go.
Bud coming in, going straight up in the sky. He's going to torque roll the airplane in the vertical. Up, up, up he goes into the sky, right to above there. He's going to try to hold the airplane using just the propeller and the power of the big Russian engine in the front. Only going to work for so long as gravity starts to take over. Pull the airplane down, grab the heaviest part of the aircraft, that engine, and straight down towards the ground. Ross Granley tumbling the airplane end for end over top.
Good morning. You'll see on the ground the cameras are looking for a topside shot of this formation. Here's your opportunity.
Bob, I think you have a winner on the Jelly Belly airplane ride. We do. Chuck Dramamine. Chuck Dramamine, would you go to the behind the Jelly Belly, please? Chuck Dramamine, ready for your airplane ride? You are the winner.